Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the automatic hand washing timer on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When this setting is enabled, your watch will detect when you are washing your hands and automatically set a 20-second timer to ensure that you are washing your hands for the recommended length of time. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Hand Washing. Tap the toggle to the right of Hand Washing to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, your watch will detect hand washing and set the timer. When the toggle is grey, it will not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.